Hello, my name is Jamie from Crewe SEAT and CUPRA Crewe, and today I'll be taking you around this used vehicle.
Here we have the stunning Fiat 500 1 litre Star Euro. This car comes with a 1 litre petrol engine and does come with manual transmission. The car is finished in this really nice white colourway and does come with around 15,824 miles on the clock. Onto the boot now, and as this is a really compact car, there is only enough room for one small suitcase, but there is plenty of room for your weekly shopping, and the rear seats are fully foldable should you require more space. Focusing on the rear of the vehicle now, we can see the classic Fiat 500 rear lights. We can also see the chrome details there on the boot lid and the bottom bumper that do come as part of the chrome kit that is featured on this car. The car does sit on these really stylish looking 16-inch alloys, which really do complement the stylish nature of this car. Round to the front now, and we can see the headlights that do feature the chrome bezel and do also come with LED daytime running lights. We can also see further chrome detailing. Into the rear of the vehicle now, and we do have this really nice two-tone leather interior that does come in black and cream. The rear seats do also have ISOFIX points. Into the front now, and we can see that the two-tone theme continues. These seats do also feature the 500 branding on the top of the seat, and these do provide for a really comfortable journey for both driver and passenger. The vehicle does also come with this 3-spoke leather steering wheel that does come with multifunctional controls, allowing you to accept or decline calls and also adjust the volume of your speakers. You can also see the digital dial display screen there. The vehicle does also come with a 7-inch HD touchscreen multimedia display, giving you access to features such as navigation, perfect for when travelling to any unfamiliar destinations. You can also access the car's radio as well as the media settings, which allows you to connect your Bluetooth device to play your favourite songs. You can also connect your mobile phone to accept and receive calls. You can also see other information about the car. Moving down now, and we can focus on the car's climate control system here. This is really simple to use. As we move down further, we can see the gear shifter there, as well as the 2 USB ports and cup holders. We do also have the leather finished handbrake.
For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, call us on 01270 864 430 or inquire online now.